Amazfit GTS 2 Mini Smartwatch GPS Fitness Tracker for Men Women, Alexa built-in, 14 days battery life, 70+ sports modes, blood oxygen, heart rate, sleep monitor, AMOLED screen, 5 ATM waterproof, pink. Brand Amazfit color flamingo pink, special feature wireless screen size 1.55 inches, operating system Amazfit OS style GTS 2 mini, connectivity technology wireless, Bluetooth shape round, supported application fitness tracker, alarm, calendar, pedometer, heart rate monitor, wireless communication standard Bluetooth. About this item: built-in Amazon Alexa and GPS. You can talk to Amazon Alexa on your Amazfit GTS 2 mini smartwatch. Ask questions, get translations, set alarms and timers, create shop lists, check the weather, control your smart home devices, and more. Get precise tracking on your daily steps, distance traveled, and calories burned thanks to integrated GPS. 14day long-lasting battery. A fully optimized battery management system provides up to 14 days of battery life for the Amazfit GTS 2 mini watch. Get rid of the anxiety brought on by constant charging, and keep the energy flowing. The 220 mAh battery is ready to power you through up to 2 weeks of activity, 70+ sports modes and 5 ATM waterproof. The Amazfit GTS 2 mini features over 70 built-in sports modes, allowing to cover sports enthusiasts whether indoors or outdoors. With 5 ATM water resistance, this fitness watch can resist to any of your daily activities and can even be worn while swimming. All-round health management. This smartwatch can provide heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen saturation measurement, sleep monitoring, stress level monitoring and female cycle tracking, as well as other functions to achieve total health management from your wrist. The Pi Health Assessment System also processes complex health data with an advanced algorithm to present your physical condition in a simple, single-value score. Super light and thin and built-in AMOLED display. The Amazfit GTS 2 mini adopts a borderless design, featuring carefully curved 2.5D glass to enhance your most fashionable outfits. With a light 19.5 grams weight, a thickness of 8.95 millimeters without the sensor base, and a skin-friendly silicone strap, this smartwatch allows you to enjoy the lightness of time. And a 1.55-inch vibrant AMOLED screen for enhanced color and clarity. Smart notifications and compatibility. Get an intelligent little pal to remind you of the incoming calls, text messages, apps, and calendars, alarm clock, weather forecasts, and support. Control the music playback and camera on your smartphone. This smartwatch can work seamlessly with iOS 10.0 and Android 5.0 or higher smartphones. Please check this video description for this product URL and customer's review. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to support us by press subscribe and bell icon.